Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Yes, today I am here to teach you mathematics. My name is Apsara. Do you like to learn mathematics? Yes, then you should take your textbook and a pencil along with you, right? Yes, then today we are going to learn chapter number 4, that is about addition. Addition, chapter number 4. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to add numbers on the number line and the number square. How to add numbers by using number line and the number square. Then also how to add two-digit numbers. Then add 0 to a number. Then we have to learn some word problems. How to solve some word problems of addition. Okay? I repeat, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to add numbers on the number line and the number square, and how to add two-digit numbers and add 0 to a number, and we have to solve some word problems based on addition. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, then a number line is a straight line where the numbers are marked on it in ascending order. A number line is a straight line where the numbers are marked on it in which order? Yes, in ascending order, like this. This is a number line. This is a number line. It has numbers marked on it in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in ascending order, right? Yes, this is a number line. It has numbers marked on it in ascending order. You can use the number line to add numbers. Yes, it is. You can use the number line to add numbers. Okay, here you can see 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, right? How we can learn today how to add numbers by using number line. Okay, then addition using number line. We have to add 3 and 4 by using number line. Okay, for that we have to start from 3. You have to start from 3. Okay, then first you have to start from 3. Then go forward 4 steps. Go forward 4 steps because we want to add 3 and 4. Go forward 4 steps, then you reach 7. You reach 7. Okay? Go forward 4 steps. First you start from 3, then go forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you reach 7. So our answer is 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, then look here. 4 plus 5. We have to find out 4 plus 5 by using a number line. First, you have to start from 4. Okay? 4. Then go forward 5 steps. Yes, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you reach at 9. Yes, so the sum is 9. 9 is the sum. Okay, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then, look here. we have to find out 4 plus 2 by using number line. First, you have to start from 4. Yes, start from 4. Go forward 2 steps. Then 5, 6. Then you reach at 6. Yes, the answer is 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Then, next we are going to learn how to add two numbers by using number square. Okay? Number square. This is a number square. Can you see this? Yes, this is a number square. This is a square. It is full of numbers, right? 1 to 100. This is a number square. Then, look here. This is a number square. It has numbers from 1 to 100, right? It has numbers from 1 to 100. Each row has 10 numbers. Each row has 10 numbers. You can add numbers by using a number square. Okay? To add in tens, move down. To add in tens, move down. To add in ones, move right. You always keep these two things in your mind. Okay? To add in tens, move down. To add in ones, move right. Okay, now let's learn how to add 16 and 23 by using a number square. Okay? 16 and 23 by using a number square. For that, first you keep your finger on 16. Okay? Keep your finger on 16. Then you have to add 23, which is 2 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Okay? In 23, 3 in ones place and 2 in tens place. That is 20 plus 3 is 23. So you have to add 23, which is in 2 in tens place and 3 in ones place. First, add 20 by moving 2 rows down from 16. Then you will stop at 36. 2 rows down from 16. Then you will stop at 36. Then second, add 3 by moving 3 steps to right. 1, 2, 3. Then you will stop at 39. Okay? So, 16 plus 23 is equal to 39. You got it? Then, look here. Here, you are going to add 2-digit numbers. Okay? Then, 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15. Okay. For that, first, we already know that 20 is a 2-digit number. Right? 20 is a 2-digit number. In 20, 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Right? In 20, 0 is in ones place and 0 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Likewise, in 15 also 5 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Then first we are going to add the numbers in the ones place. Right? 0 and 5. 0 and 5. 0 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 5. Then second, we are going to add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is, as it is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then our answer is 35. Answer is 35. Okay. Then next one. We are going to add 36 and 52. 36 and 52. In 36, 3 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. 52, 5 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. First, we are going to add the numbers in the ones place. The numbers in the ones place are 6 and 2. 6 and 2. When we add 6 and 2, we get 8. Yes, 8. Then next we are going to add the numbers in the tens place, that is 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So our answer is the 88. Yes, 88. Okay. Then look here. Here we are going to add the numbers 38 and 44. 38 and 44. In 38, 3 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. And in 44, 4 is in tens place and this 4 is in ones place. Okay? For that, so first we are going to add the numbers in the ones place. Okay? 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 is also a two-digit number, right? So we can't write the 12 in ones place. So we write the 2 in ones place and the 1 as remainder. 1 in tens place. Okay? Then next we are going to add the numbers in the tens place. 4, 3, 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. The answer is 82. Answer is 82. Okay, got it? Yes. Then, look here. Addition of 0 to a number. Addition of 0 to a number. When we add 0 to a number or add a number to 0, the answer is always the number itself. Okay? When we add 0 to a number or add a number to 0, the answer is always the number itself. That is 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Okay? When we add 0 to a number or add a number to 0, the answer is always, yes, the number itself. The number itself. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 and 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Then, look here. Here it is a word problem. We can solve this. Okay. Ready? 26 children went to swimming in the morning and 18 children in the afternoon. How many children went for swimming on that day? This is our question. Okay. We want to find out the total number of children went for swimming on that day. 26 children went for swimming in the morning and 18 children in the afternoon. Okay. Then we have to add 26 and 18. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Yes. Then 14 is a two-digit number. We can't write this 14 here because in 14, 4 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So we can't write this 14 here. So we are going to write the 4 here and 1 as remainder in tens place. Okay. Then we are going to add this numbers in the tens place. That are 1, 2, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer is 44. Then tell me how many children went for swimming on that day? Yes, 44 children. Okay. Then a school bus picked up 28 children from one bus stop and 14 children from another bus stop. How many children are there in the bus? 28 children from one bus stop and 14 children from another bus stop. Yes, we have to find out the total number of children are there in the bus. Okay. For that, we are going to add 28 and 14. 28 and 14. Okay. 28 is a two-digit number. 8 is in the ones place and 2 is in tens place. Likewise, 14 is also a two-digit number, 4 in ones place and 1 in tens place. 8 plus 4. First, we are going to add the numbers in the ones place, that are 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay. We can't write the 12 here. We are going to write 2 here and 1 as reminder. Okay. Then 1 in tens place. Then next we are going to add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 42. Then tell me how many children are there in the bus? Yes, 42 children are there in the bus. Okay, then next one. John brought 26 sweets to school. Mary brought 27 sweets. Then how many sweets are there in all? Yes, we are going to find the total number of sweets. For that, we are going to add 26 and 27. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. We can't write 13 here. So, we write 3 here and 1 as reminder in tens place. Next, we are going to add the numbers in the tens place. That is 1 plus 2 plus 2. It is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. The answer is 53. Okay, then recall one thing. When we add 0 to a number or add a number to 0, the answer is always the number itself. Okay, I repeat. When we add 0 to a number or add a number to 0, the answer is always the number itself. Okay, then this is our activity time. Okay, I will give you one question. You will do it. Okay, John brought 26 sweets to school. Mary brought 27 sweets to school. How many sweets are there in all? How many sweets are there in all? John brought 26 sweets to school. Mary brought 27 sweets to school. Then how many sweets are all together? You have to find out the answer. Okay? Then, if you have any doubt regarding to addition, you can ask in our comment box. Okay? I hope you got an idea about addition by using number line and number square and 0 addition and how to solve word problems, etc. Right? Then we can see in our next video with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.